Good morning, all of you. Today we discuss about Kirchhoff law. First, we consider Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law, we also known as KCL. Also known as KCL. In KCL says total current that flows into the junction must be equal to total current that flow out of the junction. As an example, let's we consider that it's like circuit I1, here I2, here I3, and also here I4 and I5, like this. These I1, I2, I3 are coming into the junction, and I4 and I4 out of the junction. So according to the KCL, we can say that I1 plus I2 plus I3 must be equal to I4 plus I5. Okay, this is the KCL. Now let's consider KVL, Kirchhoff voltage flow. In the Kirchhoff voltage law says algebraic sum of potential difference in the closed circuit is equal to 0. It must be closed circuit. Cannot be apply KVL into the open circuit. Okay, let's we in mathematical way we can say that sigma E equal to sigma IR for same direction for sigma E and sigma IR. Sigma E means summation of all voltages source in the closed system equal to summation of all voltage drop in the that closed system circuit. Okay, as an example, we can get here like this. Put E1 like this, E2 like this, and resistors R1 and R2. I'll put current direction like this. Uh, uh, Before going to the application for the KVL, we want to decide for the direction for application. So I will consider this direction for the KVL. According to KVL, sigma E equals sigma IR. I'll consider this direction for and this is also this direction. Okay. Um, Here first we put arrow for the all voltage source from negative into positive way. It means I will put arrow negative to positive for all voltages, negative to positive. For our simplification, it is easy to our simplification. Okay. Here I will consider sigma E summation of all voltages source. E1 arrow this direction and I will consider that direction. So E1 must be positive. Here E2 direction here, but I will consider opposite direction. So I'll put E2 as negative. So other side summation of IR I into R, I R1 plus I R2. I is common. I'll put out and I1 hit here E1 minus E2. So I equal to E1 minus E2 over R plus R2. Thank you very much.